Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Secure Boot must be enabled error in Valorant on Windows 11. First, restart your computer and enter the BIOS menu. Once you are in the BIOS, look for a tab called Boot or Security. Use your keyboard to navigate through the options. Find the CSM setting, which may also be called Compatibility Support Module or Legacy Mode. Set this option to Disabled. This step is important because Secure Boot will not work if CSM is enabled. Next, find the Secure Boot setting and change it to Enabled. Then look for Secure Boot Mode and set it to Standard. Now, you need to enable TPM 2.0. In the BIOS, look for TPM settings. It may appear as Intel PTT if you have an Intel system, or AMD FTPM if you have an AMD system. Make sure this option is set to Enabled. After making these changes, save your settings and exit the BIOS. Your computer will restart automatically. Once your system boots back into Windows 11, open Valorant again, and the error should be fixed. Thanks for watching.